How to create Google account. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a Google account. Whether you need a Google account for Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, or other services, I'm going to show you exactly how to set one up. So let's get started. First, we'll open up the Google sign up page. Simply open your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Now, in the address bar, type in accounts.google.com. Now this will take you to the Google account sign up page. Now what you need to do is simply click on create account. Here, as you can see, it will ask you whether you want to create your account for your personal use, for your child, or for work or business. I'm going to be choosing for personal. Now what you need to do is simply fill in your details. You'll see two fields asking for your first and last name. Enter your first and last name. After that, click on next. Now you need to enter your birth date and your gender as well. Now the Gmail addresses will be provided to you. You can also create your own Gmail address, but you can also go with the option that Gmail has provided you. After that, click on next. Now you'll be required to create a password for your accounts. It needs to be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it strong. Once you've typed your password, confirm it by typing it again in the second box. And that's it. That's how you simply create a Gmail account.